Hello, my name's John. I'm going to show you how to, bit of a random one this week, download Unreal Engine installer. I get asked this quite often on my Instagram because it can be a little bit confusing when you actually get into the Epic Launcher, but I thought I'd just do a video for it. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos, and don't forget to check out my website, 3dassetlibrary.com, for Unreal and Unity Engine assets. So here we go. Go to Google, type in Unreal download, and you want to look for this one, download Unreal Engine. Then what you'll get here is a publishing license or a creator's license. Now, if you're making games with the intention to actually publish them, to like Steam, etc., you want to be using this one, and download. So what this will do is obviously download the Epic installer. Once this is done, what you want to do is just double-click this and install it. Like you usually do, install other programs, and then what it'll ask you to do is when you initially open the icon on the desktop, you will get be something like this, you will get it to ask you to basically set up an account. You have to set up an account to use Epic Launcher. So what happens is once you've set up your account, you will get a window like this when you first open it. Now, this is often where people get confused, is they can't find Unreal Engine, because what happens is it's pretty easy. What you do is over here, obviously you've got something called Unreal Engine, click that. And then up here, you've got your Unreal Engine 4. This is information to do with Unreal Engine 4, learning materials here, in a lot more in depth than stuff I currently do. Your marketplace, so obviously you can see here, excuse my internet's like a tortoise. Here's packs you can buy on there, so you can find my stuff on here as well. Your library is of stuff that your projects you're currently working on and assets you own. And then Twinmotion's something not related to Unreal and Unreal Engine 5. So what you do is I often go to library. As you can see here at the top, these are all the engine versions I've got installed. So what you do is you just click on this little plus here, and this drops down this little tab here. And what you can do is you can select your engine version here. And all you do is you click the engine version you want and then click install. And what that'll do, depending on your internet speed, it can take 5 minutes to 5 hours, so bear that in mind. Once that's done, all you then do is you just launch it, and off you go. That's it. Thanks a lot.